Are you curious about what keeps soldiers fueled up? Here's a quick peek into their meals on the go. First, rip open that MRE pouch like you mean it. Inside you'll find a main course, side dish, snacks, and a drink mix. Let's start with the main course. Tear the top, squeeze it out, and give it a good stir. Now, for the fun part, activate the flameless heater by adding a little water. Science, right? Slide your meal pouch in and let it heat up. Meanwhile, mix up your drink powder with some water. Voila! A soldier's feast, ready in minutes. So next time you're camping, you know how to eat like a soldier. Bon appetit!